Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Forms are the backbone of data gathering on the web, and today we are going to learn how to create a simple form in HTML. So let's dive in. I have set up a file named form.html for this video. In the body, we'll start by adding the form tag. This tag is the foundation for creating forms in HTML. Ignore this action attribute here, we will see it later. Now, let's add some input elements inside the form. Type input and hit enter. Input tag is a self-closing tag and you can see the type of this element is text. It means this input box will accept textual data. Let's create one more input field for email and this time set the type to email. Create the last input tag for password and set the type to password. At the end of this form, we need a button for submit. Let's create a button using button tag and set the type to submit. Inside this, type the name of button. Here I am setting it to submit. Okay, now right click here and open this page using live server. You can see here our form is displayed. But it looks so weird. Let's make it pretty. Here before input tag, I am adding a label tag. Inside this, I am writing name. This label tag is for the name input. This way users know what each field is for. Now let's set the value of for attribute to name and give the name ID to the name input tag. Also, there is an attribute called placeholder. This attribute is used to show users some hint inside the input box. Let's add this to our name input tag and I am setting it to please enter your name. Now let's view this in the browser. You can see now our name field is looking good. Let's do the same for email and password field. Adding a label for email and setting its inner HTML to email. Also setting the ID to email. Add placeholder. Same for the password. Setting the inner HTML to password and the input ID to password. Add placeholder. Back to the browser, you can see here now our form is looking good but all the fields are in one line. It's because input and label tags are inline elements. So to solve this problem, we have a tag called line break. We saw this tag in our 5th video of this course. It will place the input field in new line. Let's add this tag after our input tags. Type br here and hit enter. Do the same for remaining input tags. Back to the browser, now our form is looking pretty. I know we can improve it, we can add more colors, borders and many more stuff, but that is a part of CSS. We will see this when we start learning CSS. And there is more to learn about forms in HTML. We will see that in our upcoming video. I hope you understood this video. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.